The title of the book is Where Bear? Where is the bear? Where is the bear? Once there was a bear cub who lived with a little boy. But over time, the bear cub grew and grew and grew and did things that bears do and do and do. One day, the boy looked at the bear and realized he was just too big. Bears to be living in a house. I think it's time we found you a new place to live where you can be bearish and big, said the boy. But where bear? There are bears in the toy shop, said the boy. The boy's shop is great. No, said the bear. Then where bear? Asked the boy. Oh, hang on, there are bears at the zoo, said the boy. What about the zoo? No, said the bear. When there were bears, asked the boy. I've seen bears at the circus, said the boy. What about the circus? "Mhm. No. Then where bear? Asked the boy. I know bears live in the woods, said the boy. What about the woods bear? No, said the bear. Then where bear? Asked the boy. Lots of bear live in the cave, said the boy. Would you like to live in a cave? Oh, no, no, no. Then where the boy? Asked the boy. I think bears live in the jungle, said the boy. What do you think about it? No, whispered the bear. Then where the bear? Asked the boy. Said the boy. The bear said nothing. I have got it, said the boy. Now bear is totally disappointed and disturbed. Snow, said the bear. There, said, there, there, said the boy. There. And the boy went home. So bear was very happy, and the boy was happy, and they stayed the very best of friends, chit chatting on the phone all the time. We should go somewhere together. Lived we used to said the bear, but where asked the boy. And our story is ended now.